Iran starts producing 3D medical products. The first commercial 3D printer was invented in 1986, which used laser to solidify an ultraviolet sensitive polymer material. Today, 3D printers produce items related to defense, automotive, aerospace, and most importantly, medical supplies. SLS, or selective laser sintering, is a 3D printing which uses rapid process that builds three-dimensional parts by using a laser to selectively sinter, heat, and fuse a powered material. The SLS prototype or part is built a layer at a time until completed to build rapid prototype models. SLM, or selective laser melting 3D printing, and metal 3D printers, which are produced titanium products, are the most important 3D printers available today. The most important aspect for a 3D printer to work is its software capability, which together can cost anywhere from $1,000 to several $1,000,000. The chairman of بعدی's Park of Technology 3D Printing Division in Tehran talked about Iran's advances in 3D printing technology.
مدل فیزیکی توسط دستگاه پرینتر سه‌بعدی رو انجام میدیم.
Today we can build rapid prototypes of SLS and SLM printers which produce wax or polymer products for several parts of the body. For example, this is the lower jaw prototype. We receive the CT scan and MRI, and then the computer software reads it and transmits the design to the 3D printer to build.
Mr. Karimi also explained who has designed 3D software technology worldwide. Iran's vice president for science and technology also talked about the significance of 3D printing technology.
Iran today has the ability to produce several medical supplies and certain body parts. Iran is amongst the few countries that can produce these items.
Experts believe 3D printing is the second industrial revolution, since with the proper computer software, a 3D printer can build almost anything. Although 3D printers were invented over 2 decades ago, today Iran wants to use 3D printers to revolutionize the healthcare system by making both diagnosis and treatment much more efficient and economical for the patient. Reporting for Press TV, Amir Hossein Eskandar from the بعدی's Park of Technology, known as Iran's Silicon Valley, in Tehran.